Hello and welcome to this tutorial, which is just a quick demonstration that shows how easy it is to add a suitability report writing request into PowerPlanner for users of Intelligent Office. To start, click Add New Case at the top as usual, and then choose Import from IO. This presents you with a login served from Intelliflo prompting you to log into your Intelligent Office account. Simply enter your username and password to do so. Upon logging in, you're presented with a screen that looks like this one, where Intelliflo is asking you to grant permission to PowerPlanner for you to access data. When you choose Allow, the window changes to show that access to Intelligent Office has been granted successfully, and you may now close this window, viewing the form in the background that is loaded so that you can now search for your clients in Intelligent Office. Choose the client by name, and then select the tick boxes to import the client. Check the personal details to ensure that you have chosen the right client, and then select the plans, if any, which are relevant for the case. Clicking Import completes the process. As you can see, the data has been pulled through from Intelliflo. This process not only saves you lots of time, but it's also much less error prone, so you can have the confidence that your correct information is being included in your suitability report for every case. For details about completing the rest of the process, please watch the other tutorial videos that are included on our website.